Welcome to Davika Academy. Kindly subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Share also with your friends who have would like to know more about mathematics. Subscribing in this case is very important. Kindly subscribe and click on the bell button there for notifications. We have been looking at group theory and more so in the elementary properties of a group. And mostly cases we were practicing on the uniqueness of universe of a given element in a group. And here we have this group G, which is order 6 with the multiplication and multiplication. And this is the multiplication table that we have just done for this group, whereby it has elements alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4, alpha 5, alpha 6. And in this case here, we want to solve for possible value of x given these questions here. And this is alpha 4 by the x, and we need to expect to get alpha 5. So in this case here, go to alpha 4, and then we see what we cross with so that we get alpha 5. And definitely you see it's alpha 2. It's alpha 2. So we mean alpha 2 by alpha it will be actually the value for possible value of x in this case. And alternatively, we can apply now our main concept, that is the inverse uniqueness of the universe. So we take alpha inverse of alpha 4, what you call left hand multiplication, and we see this giving us so alpha 4 inverse of alpha 4. Okay, so if you look at this, the inverse by the inverse one, you expect to get the identity. Get the identity. Remember, the identity for this case is actually alpha 1, and so so we are getting now alpha inverse of alpha 4. If we check this, where we have alpha 1, alpha 4, so you see alpha 1 is there, and this is self-inverse element. Therefore, you find that it's also alpha 4. The inverse of alpha 4, it's itself. We call that self-inverse. And you multiply by alpha 5, you see this gives us now alpha 4 by alpha 5. Alpha 4 by alpha 5, so you get alpha 2, our expected solution. So that's definitely how we play with the uniqueness of inverse of a given element in a given group. Remember, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. Share also with your friends so that they get to know that Davika Academy is there, overlaying both pure mathematics and applied mathematics concepts. If you have a question on any other of the steps, leave a comment there. Any burning question that you may have, leave it a comment and we'll be able to check on it in the shortest period as possible. Now let's look at B. Now for B, we have alpha 3 squared. alpha 3 squared. So alpha 3 squared means alpha 3 by alpha 3, which is giving us alpha 2, and then alpha 2, this becomes alpha 2 by alpha 4. We'll be able to get the value of x, and that is actually alpha 2 by alpha 4, and you see that it's giving us alpha 5. Yeah, alpha 5. So I'm getting alpha 5. So that's just direct like that, and for the C and D, I'd like to leave a simple task as usual to test your understanding of this technique. Leave the answer there down as a comment. Share it with also your friends. And in case you have any challenge on how we are attaining this, kindly leave a question on the comment box. This is the Vika Academy, and we'll keep giving you this kind of tips for the betterment of our Twilio. Okay, until next time, that will be goodbye.